Hello everyone, my name is Dominic and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. Today I'm going to be reviewing the voice recorder spy pen with a 31-hour battery. If you find this video helpful, please like our video and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest Spy Gear by following us on Facebook and Twitter. Just click on the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, SpyCentre.com. If you would like to purchase this product, you can click on the link in the upper left-hand corner or go to the description below and click on the link there. This is our new updated voice recorder pen. The new version has a 31-hour battery life. That's almost double the previous version. This pen can do it all. It has voice activation and continuous recording. It offers a time and date stamping, and it has an incredible 30 days of standby. It's got great storage capacity, and the pen really writes. The pen only takes about 2 hours to recharge, and you can play back your recordings directly from a Windows or Mac computer. Alrighty guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that the brand new 31-hour audio pen will come with. So let's go ahead and open her up. So if we open it up, we'll notice we got another box on the inside here, so we'll take that guy out real quick. Alright, so we open up the package. We'll notice that there's actually not a whole lot. So the first immediate thing that you'll notice is going to be the manual. So this is a manual that is actually handwritten by us over here at SpyCentre, so it definitely has some good information, at least in regards to how to utilize this product. The pen itself does come with a couple of replacement ink cartridges, so you can definitely feel free to actually use the pen as you go. And then of course we have the physical recorder itself. So just taking a look at it, it's a very nice, very sleek looking pen. It does actually function. You can twist it right there at the top and the pen will come out, and same deal to close it back up. And then when it comes down to actually charging the files, transferring it, doing everything, you would actually do that through the built-in USB. So if you unscrew it right here, you'll notice that you actually have your USB port. So this is what you're going to use to physically plug it into your computer when you want to download the information, and you can also charge it that way. So, and if you look real close, I'll show you guys real fast, you'll notice that we have a solid line and then 3 little dots. So that's actually the indicator for what recording mode. So you have 2 different kinds. The solid line is going to be for continuous, the 3 dots is for voice activation, and then, I don't know if you can see here, but if you look real close, there's a little switch. I'll move it for you. So bam. So that switch right there is pretty much is what's telling it to go between the 2 different modes. So as long as you have it set to whichever side you want it to record in, you'll be good to go. And then at that point, obviously you close the pen up, and on the top here, this is where you'd kick it on to start recording. So what you would do is actually you just twist it, so you'd rotate it, and if you look real closely, there's a slight opening. So when it's showing a white color, that means that it is turned off. So what you want to do is when you rotate it, it's going to open itself up, and that would mean, hey look, I am turning on, I am about to record. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm actually going to take this guy into our back room, and we're going to go ahead and perform a couple tests for you guys so you can kind of get an idea what the audio would sound like on it.
Is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. SpyCentre is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. SpyCentre encourages you to check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage.
Alrighty guys, so here we are in our back room, and what we're going to go ahead and do is perform a test for you guys just to give you an idea what the audio quality on the new 31-hour audio pen is going to sound like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pen, I'm going to put it in my pocket here, and me and Kenny are going to have a quick little conversation test just to give you an idea. Please keep in mind, all the audio you are currently hearing is being recorded by the pen. So, here we go, Kenny.
You're good, how are you?
Doing good.
So this is a review receipt for the device. Excellent customer service. The voice recorder spy pen with 31-hour battery is everything it's supposed to be. With the excellent help given by Alex, this pen is up and running correctly. The sound quality is superb. Having a seller who actually helps customers when needed is worth its weight in gold. I'll definitely shop here again.
Perfect. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to take the pen out of my pocket, we're going to take it up front here, and we're going to do a little distance test for you guys. Alrighty guys, so here we are up on a retail storefront, and what we're going to go ahead and do is perform a little distance test for you utilizing the new updated 31-hour audio pen. Please keep in mind all the audio you are currently hearing is being recorded by the device itself. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to hand the pen off to Kenny here, and we're going to do that test for you. There you go, Kenny. This is the audio quality on the updated 31-hour audio pen at 10 feet. This is the audio quality at 20 feet. lastly, this is the audio quality on the new 31-hour audio pen at 30 feet. Please keep in mind all the audio you are currently hearing is being recorded by the device itself. The new updated voice recorder pen has all the same awesome features as the previous model, but now with a much longer battery life. That makes this pen an easy choice. We do monitor the comment sections of our videos, so if you have a question about this or anything else, feel free to post it down below and we'll get back to you at our earliest convenience.